Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to convert a PDF file to PPT or PowerPoint. Right now I'll show you the best and easy way to easily convert any PDF to PPT without downloading any app. First of all, in your iPhone, go ahead and open a browser. You can use any browser, and then you have to search for PDF to PPT converter and just search for it, and here you'll find lots of websites where you can easily generate PDF to PPT. So we are going to use this first website called I Love PDF. Here tap on select PDF file, and now from your file manager just select the PDF that you want to convert to PPT and tap on open. And once the PDF uploaded, just tap on convert to PPTX, and as you can see my PDF is started to convert to PowerPoint. It may take some time to convert your PDF. Once successfully converted, just tap on download PowerPoint, tap on download. Once successfully downloaded, go to your Files app and go to your download folder. So here's the PPT file. I'm going to opening this file. I'm going to opening this file in my Keynote app. So here's I'm in my Keynote app and tapping on. Okay, here I'm tapping on my iPhone and just going to Safari download folder, and here's the PPTX file. I'm selecting this file, and as you can see the PPT file is opening, and once done, here we can see my PDF has been successfully converted to PowerPoint document. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.